Okay, so today we're looking at general sequences and series. Our learning intention is to gain the knowledge in the definition of the words such as terms, sequences, and series. So we'll be successful if we can identify these terms and define them. So using our glossary, so the Mathematics Advanced Syllabus Glossary, sequence. In mathematics, a sequence is a set of numbers whose terms follow a prescribed pattern. Mathematical sequences include arithmetic sequence. So a pattern like that is that they increase by some sum. So we can have such like, let's add the number 2. So if I start at, let's say I start at 3 and I add 2, then I have 5 and 7 and so forth. Or it can have a geometric sequence, which means that it's some multiple. So let's say I start with 3 again, and I'm multiplying it by 3, and I get 9, 27, and so forth. A series is the sum of these sequences. So if I had this, a series would be 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus whatever term. Or it would be 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus another term, or any term. So it's a series is the sum of terms of a particular sequence. So the sequence is just the pattern, and the series is the sum. The terms of a sequence is the list. So 3 is a term of this series, of this sequence. 9 is another term. 5 is a term of that sequence. Let's do some examples. All right, we want to find the next 3 terms in each sequence and determine if the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. So we go to 3 to 7 to 11. This looks like we're adding 4. Okay, so if I'm going to add 4, the next one's going to be 11 plus 4 is 15, plus another 4 is 19, plus another 4 is 23. So this would definitely be an arithmetic sequence. Here it looks like these are all multiples of 6, so we're multiplying the first term. So we're just actually adding 6. Okay, so 18 plus 6 is 24, plus 6 is 30, plus another 6 is 36. So this is, again, an arithmetic. Okay. Here it looks like I'm multiplying by -1. So if I times 1 by -1, I get -1. If I times that by -1, I get +1. Yeah, so times that 1 by -1, I get -1, times again I get 1, and I get -1, and then I get 1. So this would be a geometric sequence. So yeah, sequence. All right. So we want to find the sum. So we're going to find the sum of this, this, and this. So these, as soon as it becomes a sum, it's going to be a series. So 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus 23. And I'm simply just going to add them as a calculator. And what we will do in this course is we will find out faster ways of adding series. But we're just going to do the basic. We're just going to add all the numbers up together. Okay, so 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 24 plus 30 plus 36. So 6 plus 12 plus 18, 24, 30, and 36. Okay, and C, well, that's just going to be 0, 0, 0. So 1 plus -1, sorry. I'm going to have to do this because this is technically the right way of doing this. Okay, 0, 0, and 0 equals 1. Okay, and that's it for this lesson.